Have you ever wondered how psychological well-being can change lives? In Zambia, effective psychosocial programs integrate livelihoods, education, and social cohesion. Let's explore how these elements work together to empower communities. Designing psychosocial programs involves addressing economic vulnerability. The Thrive program showcases this integrated approach. Over 5 years, it combines psychosocial interventions with economic empowerment strategies. This meant promoting savings, financial inclusion, and business skills development. A key part of Thrive was the Empowered Worldview (EWV) approach. This approach used faith-based messages for positive mindsets. It focused on identity, visioning, compassion, relationships, and faith. Research showed exposed parents were more likely to provide essential needs for their children. The more training sessions they attended, the greater the change. This highlights that dosage and reinforcement matter in program design. It emphasizes that learning should be continuous and engaging. Participants also reported increased feelings of agency. Couples began working together, and community collaboration strengthened. Aspirations soared, promoting better futures for themselves and their children. Next, consider the Girls' Education and Women's Empowerment and Livelihoods (GEWEL) project. This model aims to empower approximately 96,000 vulnerable women. By connecting them to markets through agriculture and business, their livelihoods can become sustainable. Educational components are also essential. Barriers for people with disabilities include inaccessible facilities and negative attitudes. Effective community-based rehabilitation (CBR) programs tackle these barriers through collaboration and awareness. They promote inclusive education practices to improve physical access. Campaigns challenge stigma and discrimination in schools. Families receive support to advocate for their children's educational rights and needs. Alternatives for those unable to access formal schooling are vital to improving social inclusion. Research shows psychosocial interventions encourage parents to prioritize education. With a shift in mindset, families allocate more resources towards school fees. Social cohesion plays a crucial role in community well-being. Programs must develop participatory methodologies, focusing on community strengths. The EWV approach fosters understanding of social values, like gender equality. A powerful tool for building social cohesion is asset mapping. This technique identifies community resources that benefit everyone. By documenting tangible and intangible assets, programs encourage collaboration. Community members engage in identifying resources, fostering connection. This strengths-based approach instills a sense of collective efficacy. It strengthens the bonds between families and individuals. In summary, integrated psychosocial programs empower communities through livelihood opportunities, inclusive education, and strengthen social bonds. The Thrive and GEWEL models show how addressing psychological well-being can lead to meaningful change. Now that you understand the importance of psychosocial programming, consider how you can get involved. Share this with someone who might benefit, or start a conversation about empowering your community. Together, we can promote well-being and inclusion for all.